nililinaw ng ating presiding officer at Chief Justice nung umpisa na kailangan ipakita nyo kung bakit si Chief Justice ay kailangan ma-impeach samantalang desisyon to ng buong korte. Can I ask that one clarification dun sa witness, no? Bakit si CJ, nung tinanong ka ng defense lawyer, no, ni Justice Cuevas, ang sagot mo, okay lang yung ibang mga justices, hindi po ba kayo hindi nyo tingin na mali na final and executory na babalik ta rin pa ng korte?
Una-una, mali yung final and executory, babalik ta rin, babawiin pa. At pangalawa, siya lang yung kakaiba. Dahil nag-inhibit na siya sa umpisa, nag-participate siya sa recall, at nag-inhibit uli pagkatapos ng recall.
But assuming na totoo na siya ang nag-maniubra para mangyari to, kung sumunod naman yung iba, hindi ba buong korte ng desisyon nito at hindi lang si CJ Corona?
Kung malalaman ho namin na gano'n, pati sila may liability.
Well, anyway, Mr. President, my time is up, and as the Madam Prosecutor, the good prosecutor said they will elaborate. I'd just like to make that point, no, na kailangan malinaw sa amin at sa buong bansa. Pag in-impeach natin ang isang justice base sa isang desisyon, anong kaibahan na yung liability ng buong division or ng NBank dun sa liability ng isang justice lang ngayon? Thank you, Mr. President.
Pwede po sumagot sa huli niyo punto.
Your Honor, please, may I ask?
Defense Counsel.
Now, I just would like to elicit an admission from the complainant, from the witness, Your Honor, through his counsel, whether they admit that the decision on the merits awarding them millions of damages had not been touched in the resolution which is questioned. Because what is being reconsidered is only the motion denying the second motion, not the decision. Because the decision on the merit still stands. There was a first motion, denied. There was a second motion, denied also.
So there is no detriment to the complainants.
Mr. President.
Yes, Your Honor. So
Your Honor, we can argue about that, but we don't want to make any admission because that is part of the issue that we are still trying to resolve.
Wait a minute. I'm just clarifying.
Apo.
I hope that the prosecutors are not jumpy. You know, I'm lenient, but you know the procedure in the courts. You cannot interject his statement while I'm talking to another counsel. Counsel for the defense.
We are showing if Your Honor, please, in compliance with the suggestion of the court, we are showing the decision now, just to prove our point that what was reconsidered is not the decision on the merits, yes, but the resolution denying the second motion for reconsideration.
In other words, the original decision stands.
Yes, Your Honor.
Today.
Yes, Your Honor.
And in whose favor was that decision?
In favor of the
Your Honor.
The ASAP.
PASA. Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Gusto ko lang pong sana itanong kung cross-examination po ba ito o nag-uusap po tayo ng admission?
And I'm asking
the gentleman has the floor here. He's asking a clarificatory question with respect to your manifestation as counsel. So I'm authorizing him to do that.
May I now proceed, Your Honor? Now, likewise, in the resolution of October 2, 2009, a copy of which is part of their evidence, Your Honor, Exhibit 624N, there is no revocation of the original decision. Because what is in controversy here is the withdrawal, is the denial of the second motion for reconsideration. And it is still pending before the Supreme Court in Bank whether that denial or withdrawal is valid, legal, or should be allowed. Not the decision on the merits, Your Honor. The decision is still in their favor.
Maliwanag yan. Nagkaroon ng desisyon in favor sa FASAP. Nag-motion for reconsideration.
Denied.
Yung kalaban nila, yung PAL, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Dininay
Yes,
yung
Your
motion for reconsideration.
Yes.
Pagkatapos ang PAL muli,
Second motion.
nag-file ng second motion for reconsideration, dininay din.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ngayon, ano ba yung administrative matter? Ano ba yun? is that going into the merits of the case? Or it's just an administrative matter to dispose whether the matter is to be resolved by a court or just to be thrown into the wastebasket?
Pwede na po.
Oh, I'm addressing the question to the prosecution.
Babasahin ko po. The court furthermore resolves to re-raffle this case to a new member in charge. Ang ibig sabihin po,
To re-raffle.
at ang naging epekto po ng AM case na ito in relation to GR 178083 ay wala pong execution na nangyari.
Teka muna, bakit nga kailangan ang re-raffle?
Hindi po pinaliwanag. Ang naging epekto po,
No, tinanong mo ba bilang abogado bago mo ginawa itong articles of impeachment, bakit kailangan ang re-raffle?
yun po ang ipipresenta natin ngayon po sana sa kasong
No,
ito.
as a matter of procedure, you are a lawyer, you should know.
Sa ngayon po ay may pending MR ang mga partido po ng FASAP dito sa AM case na ito. At yun nga po ang gusto nilang linawin sa korte na nagbigay ng resolution dated October 4. Kung ano ang basihan, bakit ni-recall ang desisyon kung 2 beses na itong dineclare na final and executory doon sa GR number 178083.
Ang tinatanong ng presiding officer, yung administrative matter na binanggit ninyo, ano ba yun? To re-raffle yung
Yes po.
kaso.
Only.
To recall the resolution po, dated September 7, issued by the second division in this case. Ni-recall
Yung
po.
re-raffle na yon has nothing to do with the merits of the case.
That's right.
Meron po, ni-recall. Ni-recall po ang case na ito. In fact, hindi
Ano
po...
ang recall? Yung decision na ginawa na, yung una?
Opo, yung GR number 178083.
That's
Oh.
To recall, the court in bank further resolves to recall the resolution dated September 7, 2011.
Ano yung resolution na yan?
Yun po ang resolution sa GR number 178083 na dinedeny yung second motion for reconsideration ng PAL ng kaso with FASAP.
Oh,
not the decision.
okay. So,
Not the decision on the merits, Your Honor.
Oh.
If we may be allowed to be heard.
Pero, sir,
What may we be allowed even
yeah,
1 minute?
go ahead.
rejoin-
We have 1 minute.
All right. Now, these proceedings denominated as AM, Your Honor, came into existence because of that letter allegedly to the chairman, to the clerk of court, Your Honor. Since there is no resolution, it was labeled as AM case. And it does not refer to the case on the merits. It has nothing to do with the award of multi-million peso compensation to the PASA, Your Honor. The original decision stands. But what was recalled is the denial of the second motion for reconsideration. In other words, when it goes back to the court in bank, what will be litigated is the withdrawal of the second motion for reconsideration, valid or not, or legal. That's the only thing. Not the decision on the merits, Your Honor. That's why it is merely an AM administrative matter, not a main case.
All right. Anyway,
I hope I'm not lecturing on the defense.
permission to respond, Your Honor. Para lang,
the gentleman from
Thank you, Mr. President.
Sami Sardianta.
Yeah, just a few clarificatory factual questions to the witness. Your Article 3 is about violating the canons because the respondent allowed the Supreme Court to act on mere letters. But kayo din ang FASAP ba ay sumulat din sa Supreme Court?
Yung mga kasamahan ko po.
Kasi meron din pong sulat ang FASAP sa Supreme Court. Tama po ba yun?
Not FASAP, yung mga member po.
Members ng FASAP.
Yes.
Opo. So, sumulat po kayo at in-expect nyo rin na aksyonan din yung sulat ninyo.
Hindi po kami ang sumulat, pero iba ho yung pagkakatrato. Nung sumulat ho yung mga kasamahan namin,
Tinatanong sa iyo kung in-expect ninyo na aksyonan ng Korte Suprema yung sulat ninyo.
hindi po FASAP ang nagsulat.
Okay, hindi ikaw, no? So, mga kasama mo.
Opo.
So, wala nga sila rito. Pero at least factual na yun na may mga kasama kang sumulat din sa Supreme Court.
Opo.
At siguro meron naman din sila, may dahilan din siguro sa pagsulat sa Supreme Court. Gusto rin nilang maaksyonan din yung laman ng sulat nila, whatever that is.
Opo.
Sa pagkakaalam nyo po, sino po ang, kaninong sulat po ang nauna? Ang sulat po ng mga kasamahan ninyo o yung sulat ni Attorney Mendoza?
Nauna yung sulat ng mga kasama namin.
Okay, so ang reklamo lang ninyo is, ang ginawa ng Supreme Court, sino bang kumilos pala doon sa sulat ng mga kasamahan ninyo? Si Chief Justice Corona rin ba ang nag-aksyon doon na pinasagot yung other party?
Chief Justice Puno.
Puno pa noong time na yun. So at least naklaro ko na rin sa sarili ko na ang reklamo lang ninyo, hindi yung pag-aksyon sa sulat, pero yung ibang klaseng aksyon sa sulat.
Tama po yun.
So hindi masama ang sumulat sa Supreme Court at malagay sa agenda yung sulat at aksyonan.
Tama po yun.
Tanggap nyo yon.
Pero ang pagkakaalam ko ho, na pleadings lang ang pwede namin i-file.
Oo nga, pero siyempre yung mga kasama ninyong sumulat, gusto rin nila na may mangyari dun, may resulta rin yung sulat nila. So maaksyonan din yung sulat nila.
O dahil naiinip na po sila,
Opo,
14 years na yung kaso.
Opo, so tinitignan ko lang po yung point of view ninyo. So, okay po, thank you po.
Gusto ko lang malaman sa iyo, ginong witness, bakit hindi ikaw ang sumulat? Bagaman ikaw ay ang presidente ng organisasyon, bakit yung mga kasamahan mo ang sumulat na hindi pinadaan sa iyo bilang presidente?
Dahil yung bandang